Do it by 5 minutes, I think. I'm gonna do 5 minutes of these because I can't do 9 minutes anymore. Like long.
That was fun. Was it good for you? What about the game, Duke? Was it any good?
Yeah, but after 12 fucking years, it should be.
Messed up my camera. I always have to go through part 2. Oh crap. Okay, you just saw me. I still have any food on my lip? Yes, I am eating something. I could get fired for this. Stupid long loading screens. Just hit my knee on the table. Ouch! Super Turbo Boost! Ah! Yes, in this demo, I will not getting any collectibles or beer, but if I stop by one and get something, well, yeah, I am gonna drink it. Not like collectibles, I mean like beers and everything, like things you collect. Just gonna stay with a pistol and shotgun. First one, I'll start with the sniper. And I missed! Crap. Miss. And I miss again! I have an epic fail with this. It's kind of hard to steer. She should have sensitivity in this game.
You've got such good gas mileage.
Where are they? Oh, there's one. Oh yeah, dead. She's my pistol. Come on. One real faster with these then. Oh, I have a pipe bomb. I didn't see that. Alright. Oh my god. I'm like freaking beating the crap out of them. Shotgun. Favorite gun. You don't need a duck, you just do this. Execute! Oh yeah. Ah, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die any minute. There you go. Shrink ray, my favorite gun. I don't like it anymore. Woo! And boom! And now kaboom! And boom! I barely have eagles, so I'm gonna have to break this one. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, you're gonna need the railgun for this part, and then you can get your gun if you want. You're gonna have to shoot this dude right here. Alright? Golden gun. Get. Did I have a chance? Oh, he has a pipe bomb. Did not see that. I need to do this quick. I probably have it in mind. Alright, where are they? Ah! Is it this way? Oh. This is the right one. Oh, die! Die! So I can't get them. There we go. And boom! Boom goes the dynamite. Oh! Snap. Let me get some ammo. I'm gonna die here in a second. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh my god. What the fuck is this? Oh, the explosions. Nitas, come on. Give it to me. Okay, I gotta sit through this thing, so I'm gonna take him out. Because then after I take him out, I gotta figure out how to get the explosive before that helicopter. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.